I'd like to share with you another one of my very favorite tips from Ayurveda for maintaining our youthfulness and staying or regaining our health. So this has to do with our eating. Now, there's endless knowledge out there about what to eat, but there's not so much understanding about when to eat, which Ayurveda tells us is equally important as to what we eat, is the understanding that our body is a dynamic system, and it's not random. It's actually tuned to the circadian rhythm, the times of day and night. Therefore, when we eat is interacting with a certain state in our digestive tract and our liver and our cellular metabolism. So if we can time our meal just right, we can digest and metabolize it best and get the best energy from our food and the least likeliness of gaining weight. So when is that time? Well, Ayurveda tells us that that time is lunchtime, that we should eat our main meal somewhere between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. when it says the digestive strength is greatest, and ideally probably between noon and 1:30. For most people, that's about the best time. So what happens then? Again, you will actually digest your food better. And some recent research has come out that validates this ancient concept. The International Journal of Obesity published an article about 3 years ago where they studied over 400 people and gave them the same number of calories in their diet and asked them to either eat them the majority of the calories before 3 p.m. or the majority after 3 p.m. And what did they find? Indeed, Ayurveda was validated. They found that those people who eat the majority of their calories before 3 p.m. lost more weight and lost it more quickly than the other group. So optimize your metabolism by having your main meal early in the day, before 3 p.m. for sure, and ideally between about 12 and 1:30. And you'll more easily maintain your healthy weight. If you want to lose weight, you'll more easily lose weight. And in general, you'll be healthier. You'll have better energy, better skin, you'll sleep better, and overall stay more youthful and healthy. This is Dr. Nancy Lornsdorf helping you to awaken your power to heal.